Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you an exploding planet in AR games. Okay, this is where the exploding planet is supposed to be. Go in here. Sorry, can't see. Sorry, just not knowing where it is. Okay, you go here in the blue box, and you just go to the and you go to the globe over here. Yeah. Okay. See the planet? There, you can see now. Yeah, that's where I live. And look, this is what you could do. You're gonna push it. You're gonna keep pushing A. Dang it. That's why I hate webcam central. And keep shooting and shooting and shooting. And look what's gonna happen. And that is an exploding planet in AR games. Just look after our planet. And that is an exploding planet in AR games.